Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to create a small project called Todo app. It's a very famous project available on many YouTube channels. But here I am using this project for React Native and TypeScript. And I will make it different from other videos also because I'm going to divide this project in multiple videos. Like in first video we will design a layout like this, and we will try to add some task also, like printing, dancing, the task we are going to implement like this. Then I say writing, I press enter, so after enter also the data will come. Then I say singing like this, then I press enter, then it will add the information like this. So I can delete the information also, I can make check and check also. So lot more things we are going to learn. In the first video we will learn how to design such kind of layout. Then in later videos we will see how to storage the informations all in real-time database. We will connect the real-time database with this application so that if we add some information in this to-do list, then we can recover on the next time when we start application again. So data we will save in the real time. Then we will make a login screen also in this application so that we can log in with real-time database, and after login we just successfully log in, then we allow to enter into the application. Then we will also add the login persistency, means if you log in then do not allow to log in again and again, just one time login, and until you don't log out then your login will be persist. So that information we will store in your application. For that we will use async storage also, that is used for data persistency in your application. Then in later videos also we will use a flash screen in this application. So totally I am going to cover all the commercial aspect of a application development or project development that is required. So from this video I am going to design this interface. So let's start first. So I am removing all the data available here, no need of this. So I am removing this information and I am just creating a dummy information like this. So to do task is coming here. So from this video I am going to design a layout. For designing a layout we need icon also. So for that we have to install vector icon. In my previous video I have explained how you can include icons also in your React Native application. If you have not seen those video, please watch that. And in this video I am giving an overview also, that go to vector icon, vector React Native icons. If you click there, then you will have this one link npm. You go there and just copy this and install it, or you can go here also, the vector icon. You see this is the official website on GitHub. So here you can follow the steps. So this you have to install. I have already installed. After installation, if you are using Android, copy this line, remember copy this line, and you have to save this information in the Gradle file under the app directory. So we have Gradle file under the app, this is the build.gradle. Open this and you see at the last I have copied this line. So you have to copy this line here also, remember copy and paste here in Gradle file under the app folder. It is must, otherwise it would not run in React Native application. So that you have to do. After this you would be able to add the icon in your application. So you see that we have installed the icon. Now what icon you want to take, like I will take material icon. For that you can go to the material icon website, like this website we have, React Native icon directory. So you can go on this website and whatever the icon you want, as I will require my icon, so I will go there and I will search the icon here. So you can go there and search your icon name and you will find the icon. So how we will use this, we will see later in this video. Now we have to design the layout. So we have the Android here, we have the layout here. So one by one we try to do this. So first of all I write here to do app, and then I need to put this under the view because I want to add all delete button also. Copy this, and after this I will add the icon. So I say icon, but for that I need to import this. So I need to import icon from React Native vector icon like this. You see React Native vector icon, then do this and type here material icon. So I will use this material icon in my application. Just save this. So we will have this material icon, and this icon tab we want to use. So I pass here icon, and the name of the icon which I need to pass. So I say name equal to, I say delete name, and I say size of this icon is 30, and I say color of this icon is red. Remember? So I save this, and you will see that icon is coming here, and we have the to do name also. So we will design this, and if you want to search the icon name, so just type here delete, and you will see that in ant design also we have this delete button, in feather we have this delete button, then foundation we have this delete button, in material icon we have this delete button. So whatever you want to take, so many libraries are available for delete button. You can take one which you want. You see material community icon, material icon, all these are same. So that is your choice what you want to take. Take the icon and take the library. I am taking this material icon, so that's why I have taken this library here. Now what we have to do, we have to design this as per the requirement. So for that I take here the style. I say style equal to styles dot container. So I will make it container first of all. Then I take style equal to style dot, and I say heading, or we can say header. Then I say here style equal to style dot heading, and icon we have already. So we try to put these information here. I say container. Under the container I say flex is 1, remember, and this is here, and I go for heading. Now I say header first of all. Under the header I say header should be the flex, flex should be 1 here, and I say flex direction should be a row here, because I want to display in a row direction the items, and I need comma also. Save. Okay, I need comma here also. Save this. You see we have delete button after to do. Then we need to provide the gap also between these two. So I say justify content, and I say space between, so they will separately be one direction. Remember that from to do app we have in left direction, this is on right direction. Then I can say padding also, try to give 10 as a padding. You see they are coming in proper way. Then I need to design the heading, so I go for heading part, and here I say font size of this should be 30 pixel. Save this. The size has been increased. Now I say font weight should be bold, so you see bold is coming. I can say color also. I say color should be blue, looking good. So we have blue color also, you see. So this information we have. From the left side we may have the margin, so I say margin from the left side we should have 20, like this. This to do app header is ready. Now we have to design the footer also. So for footer I need to copy this once again. So I copy this one, and here in place of footer header I say footer, remember, and here I say heading. Heading I would not take heading, I will take input text, so I say input text here, and here I will take the toggle button for adding the information and icon also. So I take here toggle, so I say touchable opacity. Touchable opacity is required, I will make it button to add the data in the list of to do. So here I paste this. Remember and in place of delete I want to use add symbol, add button, and color I will take here right now add, then I will change it. And here in place of text I will have the input, I will take the text input, remember, and I remove this also, no need of this, or like this I will take and I save this. So we will have, you see, at the down we have this, at the footer in the down of this, and I design the footer and text field also. I go there and I design the footer. First of all I say there is a footer that we have position should be absolute, remember, at the bottom we will put this, and from the bottom we should have the 0 as a height from the bottom. And then we will have margin from the bottom should be 20, like this, little bit up, so I can say 10, not 20, like this. And I can have a proper margin, I think, so I say margin, save this, like that way. Now I need the information regarding the space also, so I say footer we have and we should have in a row, so I should have the same flex and flex direction, so I say flex equal to 1, flex direction should be row, remember, you see, coming after this. Then I need the justify content should be space between, save this, you see. Now I need to provide the information here, the input text, so I take input text also, I say input text, and here I say border, border width should be 2, like this, and I can take 1 also, 1 is okay, like this. And then I should provide the width also, so I say the width of this should be 80%, save this, you see, and I can say 90%, save this, and we can say 85%, you see, like this way we may have. So the icon which we are taking here, remember that I need to provide the height also in footer, so I say height of the footer is 60, like this way, and I provide the border radius also, border radius should be 10, save this, you see, we have this border radius, and I need to provide border color also, I say border color, and that color I provide green here, yeah, like this way, and I can increase the width to 88%, yeah. Now I take icon also, and I need to provide some extra information to input text, so like that I need input text is here, I need placeholder, I say the placeholder is add task, save this. Then I need in this add task I need placeholder color, so I say that color is red, save this, yeah, it is coming now. Now we have to increase the size of this and margin padding also, so I say padding should be 10, save this. Then I need size, so I say font size or font weight is bold, font size is 20, save this, you see, add task we can have here. Now we have the icon also, so we have here footer height is 80, so I need this icon and I set this icon height to 60, the same height which we have there, you see, this coming here in 60. Now I can decrease the size of my text field, so I say this is 85, save this, yeah. Now this plus symbol which we have to add the data, I need a toggle background also, sorry, touchable background also, so here I need style to this also. I say style dot and I say add task. So this is the property add task. So here I create this property also. I say add task and here I say background color of this is I say green. Remember this one. Here the border radius is, because it is 60, so I provide 60 here. You see height is 60, so I'm providing 60 and it looked like a button for adding information. Now I need to convert the icon color to white. So from this red I can say this is white. You see it will do this, and I need the space also. So problem is that we have a text field and we have this. So in a footer I design the row direction, the flex also, space between also, but still we have some problems. So I say from the, you can say from add task, I say the margin I need from that left side is 10. You see it's coming better, and I need to reduce the size of this to 80%, I think. Yeah, and I can say 83%. Yes, now it is coming in a proper way. You see icon is ready, everything is ready, to do app is ready. Now we need to design the state variable to hold the information that will come in the middle. For that I need to create a state variable first of all, and I need the type of that state variable. So I say const here and I say this is the task which I need to add. So first of all I created task, so I say set task. So this is a state variable, use state, and it is a string value that we are going to store here, and initially we have nothing here, and this value I will add in the text field. So I say value equal to task, and I say on change the text I should pass the new task which I am adding. New task I need to set into the task like this way. So this is ready, I can write anything here. So I say painting like this, it is ready now to add. So now after that I need the value which we are going to store in a object. So that object would be of type, I say here task type equal to, and here I say first would be the task ID. So I say task ID, that should be string. Then I say task, that should be string. Then we have a property completed or not, so that is boolean. It will decide the task is completed or not. We have to put semicolon, not the comma here, and I save this. So this information we want to store. So for that I need to store this. So I say all task, set all task, remember, and I say use state, and here I say it would be of task type array, remember, and here I put the array. So this information is required by me to add the information. Now this all task and this variable we need to assign in a flat list to display information. That information will come between header and footer. So here I also create one more portion, and here I say this is flat list. So flat list here I need to create, and under this flat list I pass first of all data. Data is equal to all task which we have. Then we have key extractor. That key extractor is, I say item, then item dot task ID. Then we have render items. Here we have the items, and these item I should insert in one separate component. So in which I say list item. This would be separate component in which I will pass the list item. I say list is there, list item I will pass, that would be the item which we having here, and I close this one also. So list item, it would be the component, remember, and I am passing this here item, and after that this is done, we have to create now list item to insert this information and provide the information here. So I create this list item type, it is not defined, so I define it here. I say const, I say list item equal to, and here I will have the item, remember, means the list which we have, list item. This list item which I am passing from here, that we will have here, and this list item we have data type also. So I have data type is task type, remember, this is the task type which is required here. So we have this, cannot be used as a void, we have to return it. So I need here return keyword, then I need here the view, remember, save this. Under this view I will design, I say text here, and I will design here the task. So I say under this I say list item dot task, that to be display. Then after this I need one more view, remember, under this I need the button or check icon or delete icon. So I say first icon here, name of this icon is I say delete, and I say size of this icon is 30, color of this icon is red, close this one, save this. So we will have the item and they will display here also in a list. Similar to this icon I need check or uncheck icon, remember. So I go to website here, and here I type checked, you see, checked or unchecked, whatever you want, check type of icon which we required. And in material UI I need, so in material UI I have these check icon, this one check or uncheck. So I take this icon, copy blank one, and so I type this here, remember, and one more icon I need here, that would be this one checkbox, and I give the name here checkbox, like this, done. Now what is this? So we are providing this, so the problem is coming because we are passing as a task. So I need to get it like this, remember, and this is not a task type, it we say prop type, props type, and I need to create here props type also. I say type props type equal to, and here I say list item is of task type, save this. So I think it is done, yeah, it is done now. So we have done this, so error is coming, error is gone. Now we have to design this. So this icon, delete icon is required, but this icon we need on the basis of condition. So I cut this, under this I paste it. Remember that if I add here some value, suppose I add some dummy value here, I say the task ID is 1 for example, then I say here task is, I say painting, then I say completed is true for example. This type of information suppose I want to add, this is dummy one. So this information should come here, you see this information is coming right now here. So I have to design this. So for that what I do, first of all I say here that it is style, and in this styles I say here list container, remember. So I design this list container first of all. So I go down and I say here list container, like this way. Here I say flex is 1, flex direction is row, save this. You see it will come row wise, and why they are coming down, we have to, they're coming down, they're coming on top of this. So here we have footer, so this information should come here, that is also list container, and I need to design here also style. I say styles dot flat list. This I need flat list also, so I say flat list, I say flex equal to 1. Save this. You see now it is coming better, flex, and I should give margin and everything. So for that I use here list container. So here I say margin of this is 10, yeah, and I say there is a elevation here. I say 60%. I need elevation type, okay, and I now design one more thing. So under this we have to decide one value on the basis of true or false. So here I say if list item dot complete, if it is true then we should display the check icon, this one. So I cut this and I paste this icon here, otherwise we should display that icon, and I need to close this one, save this. You see icon is gone, only one icon is coming. If it is true then check one is coming. If it is false, if I say here false, save this, then uncheck icon will come. So they are on the basis of the selection. Now we need to assign the ordering also. So I say here style equal to styles dot, and I provide here icon style, okay, and here we have a text. So I say style equal to styles dot list text, okay. So I design this also. So I say list text first of all. Here I say font size is 30, save this, and I say font weight is bold, save this. Then I say, and I say font I say color should be green, like this way. Now list container should have justification also. I say space between. So you see they are coming at the end of this, and I should give margin is coming, okay, and I can give list separator also, that will also I will assign, but I think formatting is okay. Now I need list separator also. For that, this is done. Icon style. So I think icon style is doesn't require because we are not designing anything for icon. So icon is ready. I need a list separator also. So I go here and press enter, and here I have item separator component. Here I need to provide one more tag is called items separator. So this item separator I will use one more component. So I create this component also. So I say const item separator equal to, and here I need to pass the setting of style which is required separator. So I say one view here. Under this view is required, and I say style equal to styles dot separator, and I need to close it here, no need of separate closing, like this. So item separator is here, save this. So like this way I need this, and I need to design this item separator. For that I do here, I say here item separator, I think this is the same spelling, item, okay, separator, not item separator, we have only separator. So I say separator, and here I say background color, so green, and I say height of this should be 2 pixel. I will show you the use of this. So as I increase one more value in this, suppose I copy this and same dummy value I paste here, save this, and you see one more item is coming, and in these between these two item I change the ID also, and you see that between these two item we have the line separator like this. So this separator is coming by this item separator like this way. So this item separator we may have margin also. I think for that we have list, we have a list container. Here we have 10 margin. I can give 20 margin. Try to check this. It is working on text only, not on a separator. No problem. We will add margin in the separator also. I say margin is 20. Save this. You see we have this, so I can say margin is 10. Save this. Like this way we have the gap between these two tasks, and everything is okay. I think designing is okay now. We have done so many things right now. Separator is okay, everything is okay. Now last thing is that we should add the item, and these items should go into the list. So I am removing these list. First of all, these list I have to add at the runtime, not now. Now for that I have a add button. Remember this add button we have, and I have here on press. So here on press I say add a task. This function I am creating here, and I create this function here, add task. After this I say const add task equal to like this way, and save this. Now you see designing is okay. We have to provide the you can say runtime adding task into the state variable which we have created here as a state array in the object. We will, in the form of object, we will add this information here. I think video length is so big right now, so I am stopping this video right now. In next video I will explain you how you can add these informations with a unique ID. Remember that we have to use unique ID also. For that we need to add one library that is required to install for a unique ID. Automatically will be generated by that library, and we will add the ID here. And in next video I will explain you how to insert these information in this object at a runtime on a clicking of this button. When you click on this button and you press enter only, and the both condition you will have your information inserted in this state variable. Then in next video we will see how we can save the state variable information in the real-time database. So more options we will add in this application, and we will try to make this application like a professional applications. If you learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in next video also.